everyone, I'm Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and it's Walkthrough Wednesday, brought to you by the award-winning developers of Nocatee, the Park Group. And I'm so excited because I'm joined by Terry of David Weekley Homes.
Hello.
You all know Terry. We're here in the beautiful community of the Junction at 20 Mile. And I'm excited to see their magnificent model home behind us. So Terry, thanks again for having us.
Thank you for being here with us. Come on in.
And I love the landscaping as we come up. It's just so beautiful.
This is our Dinsmore floor plan and is 2518 total square footage in this home. It's a 2-car garage with a 3rd-car garage option. And let's take a look inside.
Woo! And that square footage is really asked about a lot, that 2,500 range in the Welcome Center. So I'm really glad that you did your model of that square footage.
Thank you.
And this is a 1-story I want to point out as we're going through, because that's become really the main thing that's requested when people do come in.
It is, and here we are in the study. So as you walk in, you have an open study which you can enclose with French doors, and it also has a walkthrough into the mudroom area. So let's walk through that and take a look.
This is great. I love that this room that Terry just showed us, that you can enclose it. I actually wouldn't, because I love that beautiful architectural feature of cutting through. And this is terrific. And behind us is the sales center, but it's the garage. So you come in, you can drop stuff off, and this is a huge laundry room. Again, always hard to see on camera, but I promise you, you will not be disappointed. And how precious is that? The dog is.
Isn't that beautiful?
I mean,
you have a dog wash station, and hey, you could also use it for kids when they play for soccer, wash their shoes, or maybe even from the beach.
That is amazing. Actually, that is genius. Whoever put that in of your designers, that one was genius. And also reminding people we're very dog friendly here in Nocatee. There is a magnificent dog park actually down the road. It has an agility course for small dogs, an agility course for large dogs. It's called 20 Mile Post, and you are within walking distance.
Absolutely. And here we are in the kitchen area. As you can see, tons of cabinet space. This kitchen has a lovely island. Look at all the space we have down here.
Huge. Oh, wow. Lots of room to entertain.
Lots of room for entertainment.
And you can fit way more than 4 chairs. They just have beautiful chairs here. But this is a huge, long island. And look at all this counter space. This is amazing. Are you getting all this curling? Because I mean, I can't get over this. Okay, curling, just show the viewer right now this whole space. You know what's so great is that I love that we don't have a formal dining room, but we still have an area over here which we can dress up. But this whole area is just begging to be entertainment, 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 or a large family even. Just a huge event here. This floor plan is really, I think, one of my favorites right now.
Thank you. And as you can see, we have more cabinets down here, Carly, if you want to show them this area here. We have a beautiful wine area, butler's area here, upper cabinets, which you can add at our design center that's here in Nocatee, where you can go in and tour all of our design center features. We're open 7 days a week. And if you can point out into the ceiling, these are some of the features that we offer: beams in the ceiling, and you have beautiful sliding doors looking out into the exterior.
It's breathtaking. And let's remind people, Terry just said David Weekley Homes has a design center, and it's located here in Nocatee near our town center. And that is a terrific asset to have as a builder, because then buyers can go see if it's the right fit for them. And I think that's really what's helped sell your homes, is having that here. But Terry, tell us some other things about David Weekley. What sets you apart from the other builders?
Absolutely. David Weekley has our energy saving feature, which you have a 3-year warranty on your heating and cooling, where we guarantee you the 3-year heating and cooling on your home. Our homes have low-E windows, double pane. They reject 70% of the heat, and those are some of the features that we offer with the energy saving feature. So here we're going into the guest suite, and this guest suite has actually its own bath, so very private. If you have multi-generational families that are living in the home, this will be an ideal plan for them.
It really is, because this room is separate from the other 3 bedrooms, which are on the opposite side of the house. So Terry just mentioned a great thing. We have a lot of people whose their mom, their dad is living with them, whether it's permanently or for a short time. And this would be a great floor plan to look at. Now let's come back out here. Can we shoot outside really quick?
Oh, yes.
Because I just want to show, what is this called? You said a super lanai?
This is a super lanai, yes. So here you have the cover area plus the screen extended out, and you have a fireplace. Look at that beautiful view outside.
Great view. But y'all, this lanai is huge. When Terry says super, the length and what you can do in here. And this fireplace, first of all, everyone look at this amazing fireplace. And Terry, this is something y'all can do, correct, with the super lanai?
Absolutely. Some of our options that we offer, you can do fireplace. You can also add a fire pit. We also offer pools if anyone wants to build a pool with their home as well. So those are some of the custom options that we offer.
Just beautiful. And good, I'm glad you're getting showing inside. Again, indoor, outdoor entertaining space. And it's a beautiful day today, but I will, Terry mentioned the energy efficiency and how the windows, you keep that cool air in. This home really is cool, and it's not just because Terry put the temperature down to impress us. I promise. It really is cool. Now let's go actually back here to the master. Did we actually, you know, Carly, we did miss the 2 rooms in the front. So maybe we either swing over there or just remind people that they're there.
Oh, that.
Because they are beautiful. We have 2 extra bedrooms in the front on the same side of the house.
So here we are in the master suite. This is a really nice size bedroom.
Wow.
Wow.
The architecture that y'all did.
Beautiful
so
features.
You're not just doing it for the model. You will do this for a buyer, correct?
Yes, yes we can. And these are some of the options that we offer. Is that with David Weekley, you can personalize your home. And those are part of the design center features that we have, where you have a sit-down appointment with your personal designer that's going to help you design your home from the outside into the inside.
I love this. And everyone, if you remember, we featured this amazing home when it was being framed. So right at the very beginning, we came in with hard hats. It was a lot of fun. We laughed a lot. But one of the things about this home is, I'm not going to do it again, but this was the huge closet that I threw in with Terry. And so I just want to show you, it's now finally done. It is huge, 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 huge.
Wow.
There's so many custom built-ins that you can do in this closet. But this is definitely going to be impressive.
And this is our popular luggage shelf where you can put in heavy items up here. This comes standard with every David Weekley home.
I love that. That is something that people do comment about, is your luggage shelf. Even other builders are like, what is that? I said, oh, it is genius that David Weekley does that. Because you do need a very secure shelf for that luggage.
Absolutely.
I opened this up because it does have a full linen closet, a big one. It's deep. So you do have a linen closet. Yes.
Love that.
Lots of storage. So you did a great job in here. So Carly, do you want to go to the front or you want to just head outside? It's up to you.
Let's take a quick peek.
Okay, just race down
Just a quick peek. Yep.
Because it is beautiful. So right when you come in those front doors, we took a right to go into what could be your office, sitting room, playroom, whatever you want it to be. But this would be taking a left. And Terry, you can go ahead and tell us about it.
Yes, so here we have 2 bedrooms that share a bath. And you can see the details on the wall, some of the options and personalizations that we offer with our home, the features that you can add with our design center. The size of the windows, that's something that our customers rave about, is the fact that we add tons of windows to our home for natural light without increasing your energy bill, because our windows are low E double pane and they reject 70% of the heat. This will be a bedroom as well. We're using it now.
Oh, the closet.
It has our green room.
Closet.
It has a large walk-in closet.
Oh, wow.
And again, please come see this model because it really is a large walk-in closet. Just love it.
I want to go back outside.
Okay.
It's just so pretty.
It really is. Okay, let's just go right out this door right here. Thanks, Carling, for doing that for us. So I want to remind people that we are with David Weekley Homes. David Weekley Homes has been in Nocatee for many, many, many years. They are in multiple communities, but we are in the Junction at 20 Mile. A great selling point to the Junction, I want to remind people, there are sidewalks, of course, in the neighborhood, but there's a sidewalk right out this neighborhood. You are only 4 miles to your feet in the sand. Literally a sidewalk the entire way to Michler's Landing. So that is a great feature. Is you're close, but yet not paying those premium prices, I'll say, of living at the beach.
Absolutely.
So you just have to cross the bridge. Also, all of David Weekley's floor plans can be found online at Nocatee.com. Click on the Neighborhoods tab, and then click on the Junction, of course, David Weekley Homes. So please come and see Terry. She's amazing. She is just one of our most popular side agents out here with David Weekley. So come see her today and look at this amazing, amazing home. It's right for you. So thank you guys for watching Walk Through Wednesday, brought to you by the developers of Nocatee, the Park Group. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.